You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French actor. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of his daughter, for example, and more celebrities that are confusing, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. French pronunciation, Vincent Cassel. That's how we would say it in France. That's how he would say it. Vincent Cassel. If you cannot pronounce French, you can say Vincent Cassel. Vincent Cassel. That would be the closest English pronunciation. You could say Vincent, but as you've heard in French, the T is silent. How to pronounce French pronunciation, Vincent Cassel or Vincent Cassel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.